the station that stands for Kansas City. This is KCTV-5 News.
If you're a parent, you know how expensive good child care costs. Well, now child care workers here in the metro are demanding change that could affect what you pay. You've heard about fast food workers organizing to push for more pay and fights over the minimum wage. Now child care workers are joining in what they call the Fight for 15, demanding a $15 an hour wage. KCTV-5's Betsy Webster is live at 31st and Broadway in Kansas City, where the group was fired up tonight. Betsy?
Well, they appeared at a hearing that was run by the Department of Social Services. The presenter and administrator there told the audience that at past hearings, she's seen about 10 people in the audience. Tonight, I counted about 80, many of them wearing T-shirts with this phrase, "Fight for $15." That's the hourly wage they're pushing for.
Put them all in there.
At Ubuntu Academy at 44th and Troost, the focus goes beyond daycare to include preschool education. Several of the kids' parents qualify for federal child care subsidies, and owner Anita Harvey says it's not nearly enough to pay her staff or even herself the minimum she thinks they deserve.
Even with that $15 an hour, we're only talking about $2,400 a month, and most of us can't make it off of $2,400 a month when you're talking about paying for your mortgage, paying your rent, or even a car payment.
She was among dozens to fill the room and spill into the halls at a hearing about the latest state standards for income-based subsidies for parents seeking child care.
Now those quality workers deserve at least $15 an hour.
The group speaking tonight wants the government to require an hourly wage of $15 for any center receiving federal dollars and provide the increased funding to make that affordable for parents. Jessica Rousseau is not low income and still spends about a third of her income on daycare for her one-year-old. She says she'd love to see her daughter's caregivers paid more, even if it means that she'd have to pay more herself.
To know that they're not concerned about having to leave here and go to their second job and work late so that they're sleep deprived and worried about their bills.
Now, the Bureau of Labor Statistics lists the mid-range pay scale for daycare workers now at about $9 an hour. I asked the organizers of this effort how much it would cost in federal tax dollars to implement their demands. They did not have a number. Live in Kansas City, Missouri, Betsy Webster, KCTV-5 News.
Betsy, thank you.